Hi guys, I'm gonna teach you how to use automatic washing machine. It is very easy, and first you just put all the dirty clothes inside and close the door properly. This is for the soap, and this is for the fabric conditioner if you want. So I'm gonna put the by the way, this is I'm gonna use, and this is for the soap put like here, and then the fabric conditioner. You need to close this one, and then you need to press this one. Oh, you hear that guys? On, and this one, you see the arrow. This is for mixed clothes, because I wash clothes mixed together, so you need to put the arrow mix, so you can read which one. You just turn it. Example, you want all cotton, then you just put here the cotton, this one. You turn around, and that's guys. So I wash clothes for 1 hour. So you hear, it's very easy guys. Then it's done. You can see end. So you need to press this one off, on, no more, and then open this one. You hold this and pull. Oh, it's done.